And Hurricane Beryl continues to maintain major hurricane strength. It just brushed up against Jamaica. They really didn't get the brunt, especially Kingston, the capital, the most populated area, didn't get the brunt of it. But the Cayman Islands are definitely in that right front quadrant today, and they will feel a Category 3 major hurricane. Right now, the winds this morning, 125 miles per hour. The forecast is for Yucatan Peninsula, Category 2, Category 1, weakening to a tropical storm, re-emerging in the Gulf of Mexico, and is still South Texas. Is it in size? Even if it passes south, the right front quadrant will get you. And so that's an area that will definitely need to be on guard for hurricane conditions. That's what you need to prepare for there, and the potential for flooding and flash flooding. For us, it's all about the muggies in the morning. I tell you what, the afternoon temperatures are nothing out of the ordinary. It's the mornings that are way above average. We should be about 73, and we've been about 77, 78 the last couple mornings. So this is where you're feeling it. And that humidity translates to good rain chances by the afternoon, and we do have that today. We'll top off in the low 90s, and you can see the best chance of rain may come early in the afternoon. It works out good for our fireworks display here on Independence Day. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Here where the heat index numbers will lie, anywhere between about 101 and 110 this afternoon. And again, we do have some heat advisories in effect. Yesterday, everyone was under a heat advisory, but that did not verify. Today, the south and the north. Now, again, the criteria is a little bit different. It's higher south, where heat index numbers will be near 110, and up here, it's more like 105. And so that's why we have the heat advisories from 1 to 7 p.m. and from 1 to 9 p.m. For those areas highlighted in orange. But again, the heat index numbers are not going to be any different here. They're going to be about 105 in the areas not included in the heat advisory. Let's talk about your 4th of July fireworks forecast. Right now, fingers crossed, the rain chance is about 20%. This evening, we'll go from 91 at 7 p.m. fireworks time, about 86, falling to about 82 heading home. Yeah, be careful out there. Shower and thunderstorm chances do start to return tomorrow. Overnight, we'll have about 30% chance of showers, 77. So very muggy starts. There are the showers and storms percolating this afternoon. And then winding down. Meantime, we'll be watching Beryl as it continues to move across the Yucatan Peninsula, weakening into a tropical storm. This front will be interacting with it, maybe pulling it north. You can see the showers and storms on Friday. A little bit more scattered still. Maybe more into the evening, and then again over the open waters of the Gulf. I would not be surprised this turns into a hurricane. Matter of fact, the National Weather Center, National Hurricane Center, does have this developing back to a Category 1 hurricane. And again, if it's down here, still the right front quad in South Texas. If it's up here, then more of Texas gets involved. Corpus Christi, Houston, that's the biggest city in Texas, so that's an area that can be really affected by flooding and flash flooding. It's a low urban area, and it just gets walloped with some of these hurricanes or tropical storms that can dump 30, 40 inches of rain in a couple days. So look at the thunderstorms here on Saturday. It looks like it's going to be very active. You've got the front sagging south, the showers and storms, high humidity, and again, all eyes will, of course, be on Beryl as we head into the weekend. There's Brownsville, the southern tip of Texas, and there is that right front quadrant. So Brownsville impact pretty likely. Houston still up in the air, but we'll be watching that carefully for the very large area that could, population that could be impacted. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, yeah, we got 60, 70s, 50 rain percent chance Monday. And again, the mornings are very muggy, mid to upper 70s. The daytime highs are nothing out of the ordinary. Our average high is 93, so we're right there. But the humidity is high, so those heat index numbers could be 105 or higher a couple of the days. So probably some just heat advisories. All right, we've got a lot to talk about on Today in Georgia. Join us on this 4th of July from 5 to 7 a.m. We'll see you then.